Hello everyone, I am Chef Christy and I'm so glad that you're watching today. I just want to say a big thank you and a welcome back to all of my subscribers. And if you are new to my channel, I share simple, quick, and delicious recipes each and every week. So I hope that you consider to subscribe to my channel. And if you hit the little notification bell that you see just below my video, then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. Now summer's here, it's hot, we've got picnics and cookouts, and today's recipe is perfect for that. It is for my macaroni salad. It is creamy, it is delicious, it's sweet and tangy. So I hope that you stay with me, but let's get started. Okay, I just want to go over the ingredients with you. Of course, you're going to need your elbow macaroni. This was a small box that I cooked and cooled, and then I have 3 different colors of bell peppers here, a red onion, celery, mayonnaise, vinegar, sugar, mustard, salt and pepper, and then sweet pickle relish. But I'm going to show you just how I put everything together. Oh yeah, and I do have some eggs that are on my stove that I hard boiled. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is make my dressing, and I have mayonnaise here, and then I'm going to add some vinegar. It's apple cider vinegar. And that was 2 cups of mayonnaise. And then I have 1/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar and 1/4 of a cup of sugar. 1 tablespoon of mustard. And that's the yellow mustard. 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt and pepper. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, and then I'm just going to stir all this together. This is my dressing. Okay, so I'm getting ready to cut my vegetables, but I just want to show you real quickly. Here, this is my knife, and I just want to show you how I sharpen my knife. It is extremely important to have a sharp knife anytime that you're cutting anything, and I sharpen mine with this nice steel sharpener. And I just kind of go back and forth at an angle on one side, and then I will do it on the other side with like half circular motion, and this just makes my knife sharp. It's very, very important. There's other sharpeners out there, but this is how I do mine. And you just want to be able to take your thumb and you can tell when you've got a nice sharp blade. All right, so I'm just going to cut the ends of my celery off, cut it in half, and then I like very fine. I like my vegetables to be cut very small pieces, very fine. I don't like the big chunks. So I'm just going to show you how I do it. I just go and make fine slices. So next I want to show you a method how to cut a pepper. There's many ways to do it, but this is just one that I find that's easy. You cut the ends off, and then you just kind of go in and you just roll the pepper around, and voila. And then, so what I'm going to do now is just make thin slices. And then I'm going to kind of line them all up. And then I'm going to hold them and go back and make really small dice. Voila, there's your pepper. Okay, so I've cut all my peppers, and what I'm left with are the tops and the bottoms. And here's what I do is I just pop out. I just feel like you get more out of your peppers when you do it this way. And then I am going to cut all this up. These are just all the peppers I did not use. And I'm going to place them in a bag and put them in my freezer. And then whenever I need peppers for soups or whatever, I need peppers for chili or anything, I can just pull my peppers out of the freezer. They're ready for me. And so I do this anytime I have extra peppers. And this is another reason why you want a sharp knife, because it makes your cutting so much easier. You actually get injured more frequently with a dull knife, believe it or not. Okay, so I cut up all my peppers, put them in a bag. I'm gonna pop these in my freezer, and then this is just all the ends and the scraps that I'm left with. So I just feel like it's less waste when you do it this way. All right, so the last thing I wanna show you is just, I'm gonna cut my onions. And I'm using a red onion. They're just a little bit milder. And again, your sharp knife just makes a huge difference when you're cutting vegetables. All right, so I want to show you how I do mine. Again, there's many ways to do an onion, but I go kind of in the opposite direction, and I kind of hold it between my fingers, and I make small, thin slices all the way down. And then I'm going to go back this way, and then this will give me a nice small fine dice. And then I'm just going to take my eggs and kind of quarter them, and then just cut them up like this. So I'm going to finish these, and then I'm going to put everything together. Okay, so to my bowl of macaroni, I'm going to add all of my vegetables. Just dumping all that in there, and then this was 5 hard-boiled eggs too, by the way. Adding all that. And then I'm going to pour this dressing over and combine everything. My bowl might not be big enough. Oh, we'll see if I can do this. Yay, I successfully stirred it and got it all combined in this bowl. It took me a little bit. Look at it. It is beautiful. All those colors with the green, orange, red. It is delicious and creamy. Yum, yum. Okay, the macaroni salad is all done. So I've already got my fork out ready to go. I've been trying to find a nice piece of egg to go with my macaroni, but I've got to sample this. It is so delicious. It's sweet and tangy and creamy. I really hope that you give this a try. I've enjoyed cooking for you today. And thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.